These are boots from Amazon. Whoa, so shiny. They're like combat boots.
They're motorcycle boots.
Oh, these are motorcycle boots. Oh, I like that strap on the front. What's that all about? That to keep the lace in?
What's this?
Let me see the other side.
Decoration. You just unzip them on one side.
You can always unzip them on one side?
Yeah.
They're like purple.
I suppose you probably could unzip it on here, but you have to undo all these.
Oh, yeah, you don't want to do that.
Undo
That's
that
just
one.
for style.
Yeah.
So on the other side, out the outside, there's like a buckle. Here, I'll put it down here so I can see it. Oh,
Yeah, so you can
detail.
undo this, and then you can unzip them.
yeah, but that'd be a pain to put back together.
Yeah, but this is easier.
These aren't that hard, though. Okay, that's cool. Neat.
They're like for decoration.
I like it.
Yeah.
I like the soles of them are look really tough.
Yeah, my black ones, high ones are great.
Mm-hmm.
But I've worn them a lot from wintertime.
There's a lot of tread on the bottom there. That's cool.
Yeah.
How much do they cost?
60 something.
Not bad.
65 or
Wow,
60
that's a really good price. Are they comfortable?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
You could probably wear these because they're 7s.
Purple is my color.
Yeah. You try them.
I can't fit into 7s. Women's 7s? No way. They'll never
They're
fit.
big.
They'll never fit.
Try.
Nope. They'll never fit.
Try.
Nobody wants to see my feet. All right, I'll try them off camera, but that looks cool. And
Yeah.
I'll put a little link description. Nice. All right. Tell us what you think about these boots.
And then if I don't-
Motorcycle boots.
I'm keeping the packaging in case I don't like it for
Good
some
idea.
reason.